Back at this here, ladies and gentlemen. It is 8-6 in favor of Army over Navy. Ito pa rin po si Noel Zarate kasama si Mosi Ravena. All-star game. Nangyayari talaga rito.
A free ball now given to the Navy.
Joanna Botor Carpio on the delay goes to Prochina. Saved there by Mary Jean Balse. Bunag gets it across. Nene Bautista. Joanna Botor Carpio. Cruzada. Nice dig by Mayat Carolino. Iratay now going to Mary Jean Balse. Nice dig that time by Joanna Botor Carpio. Cruzada on the push. Iratay for Bunag on the push herself. Here's the setup now. Prochina. Iratay, quick set, papunta kay Balse, who scores again.
Again, Balse just using her smarts there on that last play. Going for an angle. Nakita niya halos wala na tumatalon for the block
Right.
Isang block na lang, went for the angle and got the point.
That's also great recognition there by Ersi Iratay. 9-6, we'd like to thank our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Carpio goes to Mick. Michelle Carolino, Ging Balse, Joan Bunag, Sue Roses, Mick Laborte, and Laborte scores her first point.
Laborte on that push. Well, so far, the Navy has 5 attack points. The Army has 7. So, halos magkalapit lang. And sa dig department naman, ang Army has 9 excellent digs. Navy has 5 of their own.
Here's Iratay now to the runner again, this time off angle coming from Ging Balse. Cruzada on the attack, at Cecil Cruzada. Here's Iratay, goes back to Joan Bunag.
Oh, and she was right as Bunag gets that point.
At nakita nila the absence of the libero. Ito si Marilu Galido. So they attack the defense of Nene Bautista that time. 3-point lead now for Army. Again, this will be a battle of wills. Both teams almost equal strength on paper. Here's Cruzada, Mayat Carolino. Ers Iratay goes to Joan Bunag.
Oh!
Will just miss.
Sayang yun. It was just
No, but the point was awarded.
Okay, I'm mistaken. It was called inside. Ang lapit lang sa line That's a close call. And of course, referee Efren
Ga making the call there.
ang very fit ng tignan si Mr. Ga.
Ay, oo. Cecil Cruzada.
Who used to be Cecil Tabuena.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
Para maalala nyo lang.
Ano school ba nag-represent?
Tabuena. Okay, mamaya sasagutin ko yan sa iyo.
Tingnan natin
As
itong
we see
atake
this
na naman.
slow-mo.
Joan Bunag shaming the defense of Sue Roses. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, as they break huddle, let's send it over to the third member of our panel, Man Panganiban.
Hi, Mosey and Noel. Well, punta muna tayo sa hukbong, mga kababaihan ng hukbong dagat Pilipinas.
Yan.
Sabi nila, natutuwa daw sila na meron silang opportunity na maglaro sa Shakey's V-League. Well, sabi ng playing coach nila na si Miss Nene Ibanez, marami na daw silang ligang nalaruan, pero syempre iba pa rin yung level of competition and exposure ng Shakey's V-League. And I spoke with her before the game and she said they only got 2 weeks to prepare for this conference. But of course, it's not a hindrance not to perform well. She believes that the whole team has the athleticism and attitude that will set them apart from the rest of the team. Ang sabi nga nila, kung kalaban nila ngayon ay puro Philippine Army, na puro members ng national team ngayon, they got something to brag about too, kasi lahat sila before members din ng national team. So, way back years ago, di ba, guys? Lahat talaga yan. Pareho, that's why. Kaya nga, all-star talaga nga yung game today because itong mga to, naglaro sa national team, iba-ibang taon lamang. But you can see Sue Roses with that quick hit, taking that point.
Makakatawa ng huddle no? Hindi mo malaman kung sino coach because most of these ladies are also coaches na rin no?
Oh yes, and of course, Nene Ibanez is their playing coach.
Dalia Cruz getting that cross-court hit. So 13-9 now.
Yan din si Nene Ibanez. Sana you should have seen her at her best.
Aha.
Grabe rin maglaro to.
Yan, nabutan mo pa sa
Oh my
national team.
goodness. And mas bata pa sa akin yan.
Ganun,
Yeah, and she really played. I've seen her play. Ang tagal din ng national team member niyan. And once upon a time, sexy din naman yan.
Puro sabihin niyo once upon a time. Ikaw talaga.
Hindi, pero totoo, napakagaling na player niya.
Cruzada on the serve. Fielded there by Torres. There's the attack from Michelle Carolino. Cruzada trying to get there. Runs out of gasoline. Ang libero naman para sa kupunan ng Philippine Army, of course, itong si Patricia Siatan Torres sa Philippine Army. Naalala ko itong si Patricia Torres. She actually sang the national anthem nung ating press conference. So maganda rin ang boses. Tinatagong
All around, ha?
Here is Bautista. Nice
And
take
you
that
know,
time by Torres.
and she's been digging it kanina on the 5 digs of the Army. 4 kanya.
Right. Here's Iratay now going to Mayat Carolino. There is a Bautista in front again. Kept alive there by Iratay. Here's Michelle Carolino on the fingertip push. Sue Roses unmarked and she will drop it in.
And great effort though coming from the Army. Unang on that dive. Yan na yung mental toughness na sinasabi ko sa iyo. Hindi basta-basta magpapatalo to.
At saka naka-warm up na sila ng gusto
Yes.
ngayon. So they're moving a lot quicker now.
Nasasanay na sa air condition.
Right.
Diba?
Isa pa to, no? Si Joanne.
Oh,
Joanne
Joanne
Botor.
used to play for USD.
She was then known as Joanna Botor.
Botor.
Now known as Joanna Botor Carpio. She is backed up by Janet Serafica.
What
One
a
of the
backup.
best centers in the shaky feeling. Nice hit. Coming from Michelle Carolino.
And she has been hitting the back row. Kanina yung mga down the line hits niya talagang towards the end of the court and has been getting points from that area.
Alam mo ito si Michelle Carolino has been an inspiration to a lot of volleyball players
Oh.
who lack the size, who lack the height.
Correct. But can fly.
Right. Nakausap ko si Maruha Banatigla of UST. Yan ang
Yan,
lifelong
ganyan.
idol niya.
Yes. Pero she plays almost the same,
Right.
same way.
And it's now 16-11 as Army has opened up a 5-point lead against Navy. Stay with us. We'll be right back. Perfect.